What up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year to everybody out there. Thanks for watching these videos. Guys, it has been raining in Arizona for pretty much the last 2 days. So I went and I built my own little motocross track down the street. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on. Guys, check this video out. This is pretty sick, pretty fun. Thanks for watching, and let's change over to the GoPro in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, you're officially on board with me. We're in the garage. There's the 450, and let's fire this up and ride down into the motocross track. Show you guys what it's up, what we built. Let's go. Oh, let's go. You guys gotta get out when it rains, and you gotta go build. If you guys don't have 110s, you gotta go get them. They're so fun. And go find a spot, build some jumps. You can have some fun with your friends, but always wear your helmet. Really appreciate everybody watching the videos all the time. YouTube channel's blowing up, guys. I've been working hard at this for 4 years now. So, little background there. Here we go. Right next to the freeway. Dirt's so good. Fourth gear wide open. Let's go. Brake. Oh, yeah. Downshift, third, fourth. There's the freeway. We're up. Inside. Oh, watch out for the tree. Hey. We're outside. Wide open. Jump. We're up. Outside. Oh, outside. Downshift. Inside. Watch out for the tree. Here we go. We're out. Freeway, and here's the track, guys. All right, let's get into this thing. The first is little Glen Helen throw off to the Mount St. Helens drop. Here we go. Here, oh, nice inside rut. Nailed it. Little seat bounce, and up we go. Step up. Right turn, seat bounce, we're up, down we go, outside, little soft, back up we go, we're up, step up, sweeper, the downhill, we're up, inside, seat bounce, we're up, here we go, inside. Oh, missed that rut, boys. Here we go. Let's go inside this time. Inside we go. Oh yeah, boys. Back up we go. We're out. Sweeper. Wide open second. Drop down. We're out. Brakes. Oh, hit it clean that time, boys. Whoa, boys. Love this jump right here. Seat bounce. We're up. Outside. Yeah, guys, that's a little lap. Couple laps here. Built this in less than half a day. Super fun track. Get the ruts formed in. Building this outside line right here. Gotta make some options. Hopefully we don't get shut down. You know how these places go. You get closed out and shut down so fast. But this one's fun. You seat bounce that thing, go all the way downhill. Fuck it, let's do one more hot lap, guys. Let's do a couple more hot laps. Let's go. Nailed it. outside peg, weight the outside peg. Drop down, here we go. Inside. Put up. Oh, yeah, buddy. We're up. A little slick right now. Up. Nailed it. We're up. Inside, inside. Starting to rain again. Love the rain. You never get any fucking rain out here. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Like to give you guys different content. Hit that subscribe button and hit that more video button. We'll see you next time, guys. Peace.